So this is a test of the DJI sitting on a strap on my shoulder with my hands in my pockets. I've got my rucksack on, so it's strapped with some velcro to the shoulder strap. So I'm just going for a little walk. Just to test the quality, see if it continues to stay pointed in front of me. I have to pan the camera over a bit because the actual unit is sort of pointing to my left a bit. This is in the Ardmore area of Armagh City, on the outskirts leading to Newry. Not sure whether it's super fine or not. Still getting to grips with all the settings on this thing. And people tell me I should have ND filters on it. I'm afraid to say that I know very little about ND filters. When to use them, what strength to use them. If they're so important, they really should be built in by the manufacturer. Some sort of automatic ND filter. So that's the council sports building for the Ardmore Recreation Centre. And then the building in front, that's the training ground for Armagh City FC, and to the left with the floodlights and things is the actual main home park. The matches are played. So you can probably see over there it's windy here. There's a little bit of sunshine trying to break through the clouds. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Is the Appleby Centre, which I think focuses on looking after children and adults with disabilities, Asperger's and autism and things like that. That was actually opened, I think, by Princess Diana many years ago. We'll just cross over towards the cemetery car park. The building on the left there is Woodford Gospel Assembly. It's one of the many churches we have in Armagh. We're in the cemetery. Friday the 13th, in Northern Ireland, we were supposed to come out of lockdown, or we're supposed to come out of the additional restrictions of lockdown this evening. I was looking forward to going for a pint at my favourite bar, but our assembly, who runs things in this part of the world, decided they would only allow certain things to open from next Friday, and then hospitality and bars on the following Friday. So it's the 27th now, but I suppose there's a good chance that it will be extended further at that stage if the COVID numbers don't come down. It really is a balancing act, trying to keep people sane and free of depression and generally going stir crazy, and also trying to save lives from COVID and to give our health service a bit of time to breathe and to allow them to look after other sicknesses and diseases and illnesses and injuries that are currently getting pushed aside. It's a big responsibility, and anybody has to make the decision on it. But I really don't think it's an either or. I think there has to be some form of balance. It's windy here. I'm sure the muffler will struggle with this. So if this comes out, it'll be interesting to see the results. Oh, it's nice to get back into the warmth. There's my big cat. I don't know whether you can see him or not, because I can't see what the screen's showing me. And that's it.